Nice soft touch. J.R. Reyes hardly got playing time in the first half.
So out of 2 for C.J. Giles. Giles had 15 points in the first half. Has a total of 17. James Yap slices through. Really bothered there by Giles. Here's Chu. Chu on the move. Barakael with a layup.
There's a fast break attack, and coming right back is James Yap.
Momentarily, it was a 20-point cushion for Smart Gilas. It's back to an 18-point lead.
Now remember, Smart Gilas is going to be playing as a guest entry in the PBA Philippine Cup. They will play 10 games in the eliminations, and those games will be counted on the PBA teams they play. Watch that fast break layup.
And after KFC assist delivery of the third quarter, magpa-delivers sa KFC. Just now, 887-8888. KFC's finger licking good.
So tingin mo, Migo, maraming pahihirapan yata itong Smart Gilas ng PBA team.
Because they really like to play it fast.
Yeah.
And they like taking those outside shots. Here's Japet, and he's fouled by Kirby.
And it's different when you've got an import.
That's right.
A naturalized candidate for naturalization, C.J. Giles, is a scoring machine. And of course, you also have Japet Aguilar. Twin tower combination. I mean, that worked for the Houston Rockets 2 championship years in the NBA with Hakeem Olajuwon and Ralph Sampson.
I'm a Laker fan.
Oh, okay.
I'm still heartbroken over that Ralph Sampson Samba shot back in 1986.
No, Sampson didn't play for the Rockets during the championship series, did he?
Yes, he did. That's
Oh,
why,
he did,
that's
okay.
why they answered.
Well, they played 94. It wasn't 86.
86.
86.
Meantime, here's Miller. Assie's back on the floor. 10 to shoot. Dillinger. Dillinger on the move. Sidestep beauty.
He's finding his angles now in his space. Dillinger with a total of 5 points. 4 coming here in the third quarter.
Baroka. Japet, he'll take this. And Asi says enough is enough. And here's Miller. Miller on the move against Baroka. Mandel to James Yap. James Yap from the corner.
Oh, yes. You see more energy and aggression now on the part of Powerade. They're fighting for the rebounds. I mean, pride is at stake here. Pride and prestige.
James Yap with 15 points.
And Powerade no longer playing zone defense. They're going with a man-to-man. That's good defense.
Here's Miller. James Yap. Oh, Giles erases that shot. Here's Japet.
3-on-1.
Barakael with a layup.
No transition defense from Powerade.
Mac Barakael with 8 points. Part of the starting unit for Smart Gilas. It's a 63-46 game with Smart Gilas in control here. And that's going to be a foul against C.J. Giles.
That's number 4 on Giles. And that's the danger that we were talking about earlier, Miko, when you have such an important player like Giles get into foul trouble, then it's a big headache for Coach Toroman.
Asi against Giles.
Oh, he wants to take guys out. And they doubled up on Asi Taulava getting the block. Oh, there's a foul. But Barakael committing the foul, not Giles.
Although Giles was part of that play.
Yeah.
You know, Asi only had one thing in mind in that sequence.
Yeah, that's personal foul. Oh, by the way, we're playing PBA rules here, so you're allowed 6. But yung sinasabi natin, no, that individually the PBA players are bigger, more experienced. So now Asi Taulava going one-on-one against his matchup, CJ Giles.
Here's Baroka. 10 to shoot. Ababu left open.
That's 3 3-point conversions now by Ababu.
Dylan Ababu with 9 points, all coming from Rainbow Country. And now it's back to a 19-point lead for Smart Gilas, 66-47.
Now Toraman wants pressure here in the backcourt, delaying the advance of the ball into the hands of Asi Taulava. Taulava has to go out to get the ball and not low post. But there he is again. So nice, patient, methodical play on the half court for Powerade.
4:15 remaining in the third period. Here's Baroka on the left side. Japet is in motion. Aguilar against Ranadel. Japet fires and scores.
Now he has range for a big man. He already has 3 3-pointers. Remember, we're playing with the NBA 3-point distance now.
Asi gives the ball up. Dillinger for 3. Yes, sir.
I see the adjustment also in the defense of Coach Toraman, and he's giving Giles some help now with the double team on Asi.
Dillinger, by the way, with 8 points in the game. Nice hustle there by Dillinger. Baguio comes in for James Yap. Winnie Arboleda comes in for Willie Miller. 3:31 remaining in the third.
You know, Coach Yengiao is looking for someone to explode. And if it's not James Yap and he's not on the floor, it could be Cyrus Baguio. Well, Dillinger has also scored 7 points here in this quarter.